Prosody in the English Language. Mi nombre es Ignacio Pérez Duarte Mora. La materia es Fonología y Fonética del Inglés, Unidad 4, Prosodia, Universidad Tecnológica de México. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about prosody in the English language, one of the most important aspects for sounding natural and fluent. Prosody refers to the rhythm, stress, and intonation of speech. It's what gives language its melody and emotion. In this short video, I'll explain three key elements of English prosody: intonation, stress, and rhythm, by using real and simple examples. Intonation is the rise and fall of the voice when we speak. It can change the meaning or emotion behind the sentence, even if the words are the same. For example, listen carefully. You're coming. Falling intonation. It's a statement. You're coming. Rising intonation. That's a question. In English, yes or no question usually have rising intonation, while the statement have falling intonation. Intonation also shows emotion. If I say really with a rising tone, it sounds like surprise. But if I say really with a falling tone, it sounds more like disappointed. Well, now let's talk about stress. The emphasis we place on certain syllables or words. In English, stress can completely change the meaning of the words we're trying to say. For example, present, noun, I gave her a present, like a gift, or present, I will present my project today. You can notice how the position of stress changed the meaning of the words you're trying to say, and that was just one example. Word stress also helps listeners understand you better, because English is a stress-timed language. Some syllables are longer and stronger, while others are shorter and weaker. And in Spanish, we can actually also see this kind of confusion. The rhythm of English comes from the pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables. This is what makes English sound musical or bouncy. And this, in part, is what makes you sound with a more native accent. Now, listen to this sentence. She went to the store to buy some milk. And in this sentence, you can watch how the stressed words are went, store, and milk, and the other words are way faster. English written helps speakers sound natural and even fluent. If you pronounce every syllable equally, it sounds robotic, and you can even imply things you don't want to say. In conclusion, prosody is not just about pronunciation, it's about how we say things, how we express emotions, and how rhythm and intonation give meaning to our words. In this case, intonation expresses meaning and emotion. Stress highlights important words. Rhythm makes speech sound natural and fluent. These elements of prosody work together to convey not only information, but also attitude and feeling. Understanding and practicing prosody helps us communicate more clearly, and it's what makes English come alive. Through intonation, rhythm, and stress, we can express our emotion, emphasize key ideas, and make our message more engaging. Prosody gives language its color and depth, transforming simple words into meaningful communication. So yeah, that's prosody. The rhythm, the melody, and the emotion behind the words. Keep practicing, listen carefully when people speak, and you will start to feel the difference. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.